we have a 2016 Subaru Outback here, and I'm gonna do the rear brakes on it. Already got the wheel taken off. So on the back you got these little rubber things with caps in them. You just pop the cap out, and it takes a 7mm on that. You're gonna take these pins out, but before I do that, what I was gonna show y'all in taking the wheel off, somebody had put in some major amount of anti-seize on it, which I don't recommend putting anti-seize on something that holds your wheels on, but the anti-seize is coming off of this. If maybe you'll be able to hear it, and this was gonna be a brake job. Now it looks like it's gonna be a wheel hub, but we're gonna do the brakes in this today in this video, and I got to get with the guy and see about doing the wheel hub. Because you come to the driver's side and it's nice and quiet, no noises, but I mean, look how much anti-seize somebody put on this thing. Is ridiculous. I don't know what they were thinking, but let's get to taking the brakes off. So you're going to take and loosen these up, both top and bottom, if I can get this one in there. Once you break them free, they turn pretty easily. After I get them unthreaded, I just kind of push them back so they're out of the way. Take and disconnect the emergency brake wire. Okay, didn't have the camera going, but the top one I haven't undone yet, but I just had the needle nose, and I take and put it underneath the wire and pull it out, and there you go. That's free. This should slide right off, hopefully. Not much play in this brake line. So if you need more space, you can undo this right here. Okay, once you get the caliper out of the way, you can come over here and take your brake pads and just slip them out. The back one gets your spring, and it has your little wear deal. I'm going to brake clean this stuff off, and then we will move the piston back. Alright, I'm going to spray these off a little bit, at least get the dust and crud out of where the pads go. And yeah, I'm getting rid of that crap. No reason for anti-seize on your wheel stud. So to turn the brake caliper, these you do not just push back in. So you take this, and it is a number 2, and this tool right here. Basically, you want to line up these little rods there, or whatever you want to call them, where they fit into the little indents, and then spin this out so it's putting a little bit of pressure on that. And you take and spin this, and it just screws it in like that. Not much to it, you just need to make sure it stays snug. And it's bottomed out right there, so turn that back, pull it right out of there. Okay, so you can just get your brake pads and just lay them up in there. Same as this side, have your little squeaker deal going down. And you just bring this back around and line these up. Put that one in. Get these started by hand first. And don't forget to plug your e-brake back in. And you got your clip here. Get that side and push that side around, and that's on. So it's really not that hard to do. You just hook it with it coming this way for the bottom, and then take and pry it over for the top. And that is it for the brakes on this. I'm gonna go around and do the other side. Basically from here I just put the wheel back on and these brakes are done. So anyway guys, I hope this helps somebody out in doing their brakes. If you're having a wheel hub problem, well, go ahead and like and subscribe, because I will post the video of doing the wheel hub when he brings me the wheel hub for doing this, which is probably going to be tomorrow, but I'm going to go ahead and upload this video. So I will talk to y'all later.